Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I will show you how to fix the Whirlpool washer not spinning in 2026. So first of all, the washer will only spin when it confirms water is fully drained or when the load is balanced and the lid is also locked properly. If any of these fails, the spin cycle is skipped. So in order to fix it, first of all, you need to run a drain or a spin cycle only. If water remains in the drum, the washer will refuse to spin. So in this case, you just have to check and clear the drain system if it is needed. After doing so, do not just spread the clothes randomly. Place heavier items opposite each other, and this is going to help the washer maintain the balance at high speed. Afterwards, you just have to start the spin cycle and listen to it. You should hear a click from the lid lock. If not, the washer will not enter into the spin mode. So you can press near the lid switch and then you can test it again. After that, you can run a washer empty on spin. If it spins normally, it means that the issue is with the load distribution and not the hardware. After that, during the spin attempt, you just have to listen to motor runs but drum doesn't. It means that the possible belt or coupling issue is there. If there is no movement at all, the possible motor or control issue is there. So you need to ensure that the water is leveled and stable. If it shakes excessively, the system cancels spin to prevent damage. So you need to keep all of these things in mind, and you just have to simply do these things one by one and see if your washer is now spinning properly again. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.